Let's take a look at the new Subaru cars everyone is excited about in 2026. Number 8. 2026 Subaru Crosstrek. The 2026 Subaru Crosstrek strengthens its role as a capable and versatile compact SUV, combining Subaru's all-wheel drive confidence with more power and a newly added hybrid option. All non-hybrid trims use a 2.5-liter boxer four-cylinder with 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission and symmetrical all-wheel drive. The Crosstrek Hybrid adds dual electric motors for a combined 194 horsepower. Price range: $28,000 to $35,000. Fuel economy: 36 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon highway. Inside, the Crosstrek offers a refined and functional cabin with available 11.6-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and improved materials on higher trims. Passenger and cargo space remain practical for daily use, and overall comfort has been upgraded. Every model includes Subaru's EyeSight Driver Assist Suite, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and enhanced collision prevention. Hybrid trims add improved sensor range and safety tech for even better awareness. Number 7. 2026 Subaru Impreza. The 2026 Subaru Impreza is a practical hatchback that comes standard with all-wheel drive, making it suitable for both city and highway driving, as well as dependable in tough weather conditions. The Sport trim features a 2.0-liter boxer four-cylinder engine producing 152 horsepower and 145 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission and all-wheel drive. The RS trim upgrades to a 2.5-liter boxer engine with 180 horsepower and improved low-end torque. Price range: $27,000 to $30,000. Fuel economy: 27 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway. Inside, there's an 11.6-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin is practical, offering comfortable rear seats and generous cargo space. The hatchback design allows for flexible storage, and roof mounting points come standard. Safety is enhanced by the EyeSight suite, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. A new emergency lane keep assist system helps with lane changes at speeds between 37 and 90 miles per hour. Number 6. 2026 Subaru Solterra. The 2026 Subaru Solterra is a refreshed all-electric SUV that combines Subaru's signature all-wheel drive confidence with better range, faster charging, and upgraded tech. It's a strong pick for those seeking an EV with real off-road capability. The Solterra uses dual electric motors with standard all-wheel drive, delivering 233 horsepower or up to 338 in the XT trim, for a 0 to 60 sprint under 5 seconds. A 74.7 kilowatt-hour battery offers about 288 miles of range, with fast charging to 80% in around 30 minutes. Price range: $39,000 to $47,000. 278 miles per charge. Inside, the cabin feels more premium with a 14-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual wireless chargers, and USB-C ports. Refreshed materials, improved comfort, and practical cargo space make it a solid all-rounder. Every Solterra includes Subaru's EyeSight suite with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. The advanced dual-motor AWD system provides excellent stability and traction across all conditions. Number 5. 2026 Subaru Uncharted. The 2026 Subaru Uncharted is Subaru's new small EV, offering city-friendly usability with adventure-ready capability. It's available in front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, bringing modern EV performance while keeping the brand's rugged ethos. Power comes from a 74.7 kilowatt-hour battery across all models. The base Premium with front-wheel drive delivers 221 horsepower and over 300 miles of range, while Sport and GT all-wheel drive variants produce 338 horsepower and reach 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. DC fast charging enables a 10 to 80% charge in about 30 minutes. Price range: $34,000 to $38,000. 100 to 120 miles per gallon equivalent combined. Inside, seats 5, with 25 plus cubic feet of cargo space. Features include a 14-inch touchscreen, dual wireless chargers, and wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Higher trims add upgraded interior accents and larger wheels. Standard safety suite across trims, with all-wheel drive versions featuring X mode for low traction or off-road conditions. EV platform provides quiet ride and modern connectivity. Number 4. 2026 Subaru Forester. The 2026 Subaru Forester continues to deliver as a versatile and capable compact SUV, ideal for drivers who value standard all-wheel drive, strong visibility, and dependable practicality over outright speed or luxury. All trims feature a 2.5-liter boxer 4-cylinder with 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission and Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. Price range: $31,000 to $43,000. Fuel economy: 26 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway. The cabin offers generous space, great outward visibility, and an easy-to-use layout. Higher trims include an 11.6-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and optional power liftgate. Cargo space remains among the best in class. Number 3. 2026 Subaru WRX. The 2026 Subaru WRX continues as a performance sedan with standard all-wheel drive, rally-inspired handling, and driver-focused dynamics. Updates are minor, keeping the model's sporty character intact. Power comes from a turbocharged 2.4-liter boxer engine producing 271 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, paired with standard all-wheel drive. The TS and Limited editions offer a manual transmission, tuned suspension, and performance tires for a more dynamic driving experience. Price range: $39,000 to $49,000. Fuel economy: 19 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway. Inside, sporty, driver-centric cabin with standard sport seats and infotainment. Higher trims add Recaro performance seats, premium audio, and upgraded materials. Focus remains on performance over luxury. EyeSight Driver Assist Suite standard, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and other modern safety features. Number 2. 2026 Subaru Ascent. The 2026 Subaru Ascent is a family-friendly 3-row SUV with standard all-wheel drive, roomy seating, and modern tech. It focuses on practicality and comfort, rather than sporty dynamics or luxury finishes. Powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer 4-cylinder with 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque, it uses a continuously variable transmission and all-wheel drive. Price range: $42,000 to $53,000. Fuel economy: 20 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway. Seats up to 8 passengers, 7 with captain's chairs. Standard 11.6-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, multiple USB ports, and available panoramic sunroof. Materials are upgraded but remain utilitarian. EyeSight Driver Assist Suite is standard, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. All-wheel drive and 8.7-inch ground clearance enhance versatility on varied terrain. Number 1. 2026 Subaru Outback. The 2026 Subaru Outback is a redesigned midsize crossover with a more SUV-like stance, modern tech, and standard all-wheel drive. It balances everyday usability with light adventure capability. The base 2.5-liter flat-four makes 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission and all-wheel drive. Higher trims get a 2.4-liter turbo with 260 horsepower. Price range: $36,000 to $49,000. Fuel economy: 27 miles per gallon combined. Redesigned cabin with 12.1-inch infotainment touchscreen, 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, improved materials, and increased headroom. Cargo and passenger space are enhanced versus the previous generation. Standard EyeSight driver assist suite with auto emergency braking, lane keep assist, and driver monitoring. Higher trims add hands-free highway driving and off-road modes. From daily driving to adventure, Subaru's 2026 lineup brings excitement at every level.